It all begins at the source, in the earth, in the sea, in the hands that cultivate, care for, and sustain. We believe in products with a distinct identity and locally sourced ingredients, in the people who keep our environment alive and preserve our understanding of gastronomy. Because cooking is also about protecting who we are. Cooking can nourish much more than just a table. It can accompany, integrate, create opportunities, and build community. It can become a refuge, a learning experience, and a future. When gastronomy serves people, something is born that goes far beyond the kitchen. Every gesture matters. The way we produce, consume, and share speaks to who we are. We advocate for a conscious, responsible gastronomy committed to people and the environment. A cuisine that reduces waste, generates value, and gives visibility to those who have remained in the background for far too long. Imagining the future is also a way of building it. We dream of a gastronomy capable of transforming regions, inspiring new generations, and opening up new paths. A place where creativity, sustainability, and commitment move forward together. Because the best utopias are those that begin to become reality.